A few years ago, I was moving out of a barn that I'd been in for about 6 years, and I had collected a bunch of stuff and kind of had it stuck in the back few stalls. And I needed a place to store it. And I happened to run across a 28-foot box from a moving truck, and it was on Marketplace, and that's a bad habit I have of looking for stuff that I shouldn't be. But anyway, I bought it for $500, which I thought was a great deal. And I trailered it home. I bought some channel iron and a few other random pieces of metal and decided to fab up a trailer for it. And so don't look at all the redneckery we did to make a trailer underneath that box. Anyway, I got a used axle from a buddy, and I got her finished, and I filled it up with all the junk that I had, which is, I call it man junk. It's all the things I might need later, and it's too valuable to throw away, and so I just use it for storage. Well, it got so full that I couldn't find anything in it, and you had to crawl over everything to get to anything that was stored in it. It looked like a hoarder's place. So that brings us to this week. So I'm leasing a new barn, and I decided to organize that trailer, at least clean it out. So I wanted to make some shelves on one side and put kind of everything in storage boxes with labels to kind of help me find things. But first, I had to unload one side of the trailer just to get enough room to build anything in there. It was a mess. So it took me a few hours just to unload one half. And then I got some square tube and some angle iron, and I fabbed up a little rack on one side. And yeah, it turned out pretty good. Put some plywood shelves on there. And then I reorganized and repacked everything. I have a few more boxes yet to put in there, but it's amazing the amount of stuff you can accumulate, and it feels so good when it's all organized. So kind of spring cleaning here at the Lion Horses place, and so now, yeah, we're ready and organized. Anyway, remember, we're all trying to be the person our horse deserves, and hope this maybe inspires you to do some spring cleaning.